everybody, and welcome to
Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
Hi Ava. Are you excited? Why are you excited?
Because we're drawing a chocolate strawberry.
We're gonna draw a chocolate covered strawberry for what holiday?
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is coming up, and we want to do a chocolate covered strawberry. That would be fun. I like your dress.
Thanks.
Are you a dancer?
I have dance.
You do have dance. Do you have a secret Valentine? Who's your Valentine this year?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Say Dad. Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
On Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
Draw.
All right, everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're doing our chocolate dipped strawberry for Valentine. So get your light green, and we'll start at the top. So find the top of your page in this area in the middle, up here in the middle. Okay, we'll do a little stem.
A little stem.
Good. Come over and down.
Come over and down.
Okay. We'll do a little poke. These are little leaves. Another one over here, little. Good. Let's do a little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger.
Same over here.
Same over here.
Good. A little smaller.
A little smaller.
A little smaller.
A little smaller.
And here we're doing the leaves on top of the strawberry. That look good?
Yep.
Well done. Okay. There's your lid. Here's my lid. Okay.
We're taking the wrong lids.
We're gonna do a red. Oh, good job. You're so strong.
Okay, this one's
Everyone get your
red.
red. Do the. We're gonna find the edge of this of the leaf, and we're gonna come out for the strawberry. Okay. And over here we're gonna do the same. Come out. Okay, there's the edge of our strawberry. Now put your lids back on. We're gonna get a light brown for chocolate.
Mine is a little too close.
It's okay.
I'm gonna hear for the click sound.
You did it. Okay, here's your brown.
Whoa.
Everyone get a light brown for chocolate.
Oh, yum,
This is where the fun starts. We're gonna dip our strawberry in chocolate. Ready? Here we go.
Oh,
On this
I don't
edge,
have my little.
you want maybe you can get the fat edge right there.
Ooh, yeah.
Here we go. Follow me. We go up, down, and touch the edge. See how it looks like the edge of chocolate? Okay, we're gonna bring this down to this. There's our guideline. We're gonna bring this down here and this down here to touch the line. Okay. Chocolate comes down to the dot.
Chocolate comes down to the dot.
Okay, and this side, chocolate comes down to the dot.
Chocolate goes down.
And we're gonna draw some drip, some melting chocolate. So
Probably someone's not taking care of it.
yep, this is like melting. Someone needs to hurry and eat this. Another one.
Or someone will,
Another
will
drip.
make another one.
Another drip. And we'll color these in so you. Okay, should we do a puddle? Let's do a puddle at the bottom where the chocolate has dripped. Right about here. Maybe a little droplet there. Maybe a little drop right there.
That one.
Cool.
And that one.
So that's our chocolate right now. And we are going to get our, let's do our red again. Do the small side of the red.
Why?
Because we're gonna do some seeds. Okay, here we go, watch this. Little raindrop for a seed. Come down and do a little raindrop for a seed. Go up and do a little raindrop for a seed. Come down. Go up. Down. Let's do one up here. See how they look like raindrops?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna leave those. Actually, we can color those yellow. Should we color those yellow?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We should have covered.
Here's your yellow.
Black. We should have covered. Oh,
That's cool.
not that.
I'm gonna color these seeds in yellow.
Me too. My first one.
Good job. Yours looks good. And now, let's...
I'm not done.
You're not done yet?
No.
Good job. Okay, so we're gonna color...
I'm still not finished.
You're still... I'm just explaining to the kids what we're gonna do.
Finished.
We're gonna color in fast forward green, and then red for the strawberry, and then we'll color this chocolate in brown, and we'll actually get darker chocolate and make some stripes. Does that sound cool?
Ooh.
All right. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
And
A
fast forward.
Chocolate dipped strawberry for Valentine. Fast forward, go.